Hi there, students. Fly by night, hyphenated. Okay, this is an adjective to mean dishonest, disreputable, unreliable. So, for example, a fly-by-night businessman. It suggests that if the businessman has problems, he will fly, here fly means run away, in the night. Okay, so a fly-by-night businessman, a businessman who is undependable. Yeah, you will probably, he gets into debt and then he closes the business to avoid payment. And this is the idea of fly-by-night. A fly-by-night cowboy builder. Maybe he does a really bad job, takes your money, and then when you discover that what he's done doesn't make any difference, you try to complain, and you just can't get hold of him. You can't contact him because he has flown, he's run away. So, fly-by-night, an informal way of saying that somebody is unreliable. The company needs reliable workers, not